Anong ginagawa mo dyan, brother?
Ultrasonic
Ano?
ultrasonic flow detection.
So anong purpose
We
niyan?
have to check the integrity of the weld after the welding completion. So we will check if the welding is sound. Like in this case, we detected lack of fusion near the root pass. Like this one, if you can see, the amplitude is more than or 80% above, it is rejectable. And also the size is around 1 inch length. So this will be marked and rejected, this portion.
So they must repair that one.
So our reference dB is 56, as you noted. So this was calibrated in a 6 dB drop method.
Okay, thank you for the information, brother.
Okay.